So the first habit that I'm currently working on is waking up early each day. On this particular day, I didn't get out of bed until 6:10 a.m. But ultimately, my end goal is to be up by 5:30 a.m. each day. And I wanted to create this habit for myself to really challenge myself to step outside of my comfort zone and to work on my self-discipline. Because I work for myself, it's so easy for me to just hit the snooze button, wake up whenever I want, and start the day whenever I want. But I didn't really like that because I found that I didn't have enough time in the day to do the things that I needed to do. I felt very all over the place, and I just wanted to really push myself and challenge myself to wake up earlier, especially because there is no one telling me that I have to. And I will say, since implementing this habit, I feel so much more productive, and I definitely have way more energy, and I feel a lot more motivated. Habit number 2 is, of course, stay hydrated. Especially now that it is summertime and I live in the desert, I really want to work on getting enough water throughout the day, making sure I'm staying hydrated. Water is just life, you guys, and this is always a habit that I feel I can improve on. Habit number 3 is my 15-minute morning routine, and it hits all the major points that are important for me in my morning routine without taking so much time. So my 15-minute morning routine consists of 5 minutes of meditation, 5 minutes of journaling, and 5 minutes of affirmation. Tools that I love to use in my 15-minute morning routine are 1, Site Timer app for my meditation. I talked about this in my morning routine video. I love this app. This is not sponsored by any means. Every day it asks you how you are feeling, what is causing you to feel this way, and based on how you're feeling and things like that, it generates the perfect meditation for you that day. And for my journaling, I have been loving the 5-minute journal. Hopped on the bandwagon, and I can see why this journal is so popular. It's super straight to the point, easy, quick to fill out, and I know that as long as I get these things done, I'm good to go for the day. My 4th healthy hot girl summer habit that I'm working on is practicing daily movement each day. Lately, I've really been into more mindful, intuitive workouts, such as my hot girl walks, the 12-3-30 method, as well as Pilates. So I've just really been into being more mindful with my workouts. I actually look forward to working out and moving my body each and every single day. Another habit that I've been working on is intuitive, mindful, healthy eating. I don't have a super strict diet at all. I'm more about eating intuitively and mindfully and finding ways to make some of my favorite meals a little bit more healthier. And lately, I've really been into finding healthy new recipes to try out. One of my current favorite recipes is my salad for the summer, and it is just a tuna salad. I actually found this recipe from Annie Jeffrey here on YouTube. So another habit that I am currently working on is prioritizing my personal growth. I have kind of put my personal growth a little bit on the back burner just because I've been so busy with work and life and things, but personal growth is one of my top values in life, and I know in order for me to feel my happiest, healthiest, and healed version, I have to prioritize my personal growth. So the way that I do that and how I've been doing that is by making more time for reading self-help educational books. I'm currently reading Dare to Lead. My best friend actually bought me this book for my birthday, and this is a great book on leadership and how to be a great leader and mentor. So whether I am reading a book, listening to a podcast episode, watching a YouTube video, or journaling, I just love to know and feel like I am actively working on bettering myself. So my next healthy hot girl summer habit that I'm absolutely loving is having my daily green smoothie. I used to really be on this and then I fell off, but we're getting back to it. So my go-to green smoothie typically includes spinach, 1 banana, oat milk, and then a cup of frozen fruits. I like strawberry, mango, peaches, and then a scoop of my organic protein powder, vanilla flavor. This is my go-to smoothie. If you are someone who doesn't like fruits or veggies, you will absolutely love this. It is the perfect midday pick-me-up snack. So these are my current healthy hot girl summer habits that I am working on and loving. All of these things help me feel, look, and be my absolute best version of myself. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one.